Samsung's Galaxy Book 6 series might have been available in the US since March, but the company wasn't going to abandon the lineup after the initial batch of laptops. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Samsung has announced an addition to that series in the form of the Galaxy Book 6 Edge. What's interesting about this is that, unlike the rest of the Intel-powered Galaxy Book 6 laptops, it runs on a Snapdragon X2 Elite. And Samsung says this Qualcomm's chipset delivers up to 80 TOPS of AI performance. The laptop has a 16-inch 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X touch display that's set to be anti-reflective, which can make it a decent pick for working outside on a nice day. Plus, it offers automated brightness and contrast adjustment, which could help on that front too. It has an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120Hz and is made with Corning Gorilla Glass with DX. The Galaxy Book 6 Edge has quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and it works well with other Galaxy devices. Like, you'll be able to wirelessly view and transfer files and photos from a supported phone. This Windows 11 Copilot Plus machine has a single HDMI 2.1 port, along with a micro SD slot, one USB 3.2 port, and two USB 4.0 slots. There's a combo headphone microphone jack, as well as Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 support. As for the battery, Samsung says you'll get up to 22 hours of video playback on a single charge. It claims you'll be able to recharge the battery to 40% of its capacity in 30 minutes when you use the included 65-watt adapter. The Galaxy Book 6 Edge weighs 3.42 pounds, and it's just under half an inch thick, but it only comes in one configuration, that is 16 GB of memory and 1 TB of storage. But you might have to make a hole in your wallet to get this laptop, as it costs $2,100. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.